Nature always offers us the best. Being a part of nature means respecting, understanding and taking care of it. The same care that we put into our products. Over 30 years ago, we decided to bring tradition into the present. This is how our products came into being. A line of natural, effective products dedicated to the ear, nose and throat. Essential oils, concentrated plant extracts and natural ingredients, often organically grown. Like our hyaluronic acid, extracted from natural glucose, organic blackcurrant, which acts in a similar way to cortisone, and precious manuka honey, known for its antibacterial properties. Our laboratories are at the heart of our production process. This is where the certified process starts, leading to the finished product. We develop our exclusive formulas as technology evolves and new combinations of natural substances are discovered. We believe that the most important thing is people.
Otosan, bonjour.
Our medical devices contribute to the health and well-being of millions of people in over 50 countries around the world. The company philosophy we apply every day is alongside our staff, alongside our customers, alongside our partners. This is why our production and sales support is always personalized. 3 generations, a single focus, well-being. We take care of you, naturally.